Tangelo, that's someone we are very familiar with, as we've seen her in Minnesota before in some Extreme Rules matches. She had a hockey bag fight with Alabama back in, I think, January of 2020. Just a brutal match using hockey sticks, hockey helmets. She didn't come out on top in that match, but definitely earned the respect of, I think, of a lot of people who were able to see that contest.
She is super fierce in the ring, and she can bring it with any of these ladies.
Missa K, just a ball of energy on her way to the ring. Chicago sweetheart. Here in this triple threat match with Alejandra the Lion, and now our final competitor who will be making her way to the ring momentarily. Willow Nightingale.
Purple hair, don't care.
Gotta love that purple hair. She is a really good submission wrestler, very technically sound. This should be a great match between these three. Willow Nightingale seems to be thrown off by the triple threat rules in this contest.
And we're off. Everyone in this match is always legal at the same time. They can all be in the ring. And speaking of everyone being legal and everyone being here, I am Veda Scott. I am here at Ironheart Pro Forged in Fire. I'm so excited to be here for this triple threat action. I'm here along with my broadcast colleagues for the evening. I have Tangela Williams and I have Brett Johnson.
Yeah, glad to be with you here for this.
It's a little bit of a test of strength dance situation here.
Break it down, ladies.
Oh, well, that's not fun.
Alejandra the Lion not wanting to get in on the action.
Woo, right back to the wave. I like that continuity. They're devoted to the dance. Oh. And again.
Same result.
Whoa, hold on. Well, she did the wave one way or another.
Yeah, whether she wanted to or not, Alejandra the Lion's going to be in this wave.
Ooh. Willow's got her up and got Alejandra back down.
Well, now Willow Nightingale's going to call for the wave here.
We are doing the wave at the broadcast table. You can't see it, but here it comes, here it comes, here it comes, and wave. Honestly, this crowd is remarkably coordinated.
Actually,
given how I've seen wrestling crowds have difficulties with things like chants. Coming back, coming back, coming back. Here we go, and another one. And Alejandra the Lion is getting more and more irritated by this. Missa, though, runs her into the apron. We have sort of a hybrid wrestling match dance party happening right now, and I'm all for that. Alejandra back in the ring. Willow dropping the leg into the cover. 1, 2. Missa Kate, though, breaks it up because, as we said before, this is just one fall to a finish here.
I think Alejandra officially got served.
Yeah, she is wanting no part of the dancing in the ring. Well, now we might be getting Willow Nightingale and Missa Kate to lock up.
Missa Kate into just a quick roll up there. Willow, though, with a schoolgirl of her own. Whoa, whoa, into the backslide, into a pin, no. Willow, though, holds on. Missa Kate trying for that backslide. Willow not letting her have it, though. Oh. Scoops her back up and slams Missa Kate back down. Willow Nightingale with the senton. Says maybe one more time. Oh, no. Alejandra grabbed the foot. Willow kicks her off, though.
Yeah, Alejandra spending some time on the outside right now. Well, yeah, why not let the other two wrestlers fight, then work your way in at the right time?
Going for a second snap suplex. Usually we see 3. Are we going for 3? Going for, oh! Oh! Alejandra with the claws out into a code breaker.
Yeah, well, Alejandra's just picking her spots right now after getting through all the dancing. She's come out with a game plan right now.
Into a cover. No. Alejandra trying to pick the scraps from Willow Nightingale's body slam earlier. And now into a deep, deep headlock here. Just grinding her forearm into Missa Kate's chin. Willow is still on the outside trying to recover. She's got to get back in there, though, if she wants to win this match. As we said, this is just one fall to a finish.
We'll see Missa Kate with those blows to the midsection of Alejandra the Lion.
Not able to knock her down with that attempt at a shoulder tackle. Alejandra trying it again. Missa says no. One more time. One more time.
Missa Kate checking on the condition of Alejandra the Lion. I guess she is Chicago's sweetheart, so got to live up to that name.
Into a cover. No.
Although Alejandra is not really for the sportsmanship here from her.
Alejandra hits the ropes. Oh, big leapfrog. Another leapfrog. A third leapfrog. A fourth leapfrog. Oh! Missa Kate, obviously extremely athletic. Alejandra was not into running around any longer, but then Alejandra just got leveled with that drop kick.
Yeah, Missa Kate is so quick with those
And
hands
a cover, 1, 2. Willow was trying to get in there to break that up, but unfortunately she wasn't able to get there in time. But fortunately for her, Alejandra did kick out. Missa Kate has Alejandra up on her shoulders. Oh! Alejandra went for the eyes. Uses Missa Kate as a weapon. Low super kick. Willow Nightingale, I think she's out again.
Shortstop is dominating.
Got Missa in a cravat here. Using the leverage from that cravat to pull her into some knee strikes. Low bulldog and another cover. No! Missa Kate kicks out again. Willow was trying to get back into this and just got leveled with a forearm. Alejandra the Lion has this pretty much in control, surprisingly, considering how this match started out. Oh, and just as I said that, Missa Kate turns it around with that drop toe hold. Bicycle knee into a pin. 1, 2. No! Alejandra kicks out now.
Missa Kate really showing some resilience here against Alejandra.
Yeah, as we said, Alejandra wasn't having so much fun at the beginning of the match, but Up until just a few moments ago, she had things going, but Missa Kate, give her credit.
Missa Kate with a submission here. She's got her shin just driving into the spine of Alejandra, but Alejandra is fighting her way out. She's fighting back. Go behind by Missa Kate. Into a takeover. Into a deep, deep front chancery here. Got that three-quarter face lock on.
Yeah, looks like she's got a good grip on that too, but Alejandra able to fight out of it.
Oh! Amazing running power slam. There's the cover. No! I cannot believe she kicked out of that. And we can see there on the apron, Willow Nightingale is trying to pull herself back into this match, back into the ring. Seems like every time she makes a little headway with that, she gets knocked off the apron.
Yeah, we'll see if she can come in and have an effect on this match. Right now, Missa Kate looks like she might have this thing in control right now.
Willow's up.
Oh.
We've got a camel clutch sandwiched in between a dragon sleeper. Willow has taken over with that dragon sleeper, but Alejandra back with the cravat. Willow has her up on the shoulders. Oh! Biden turned that into a Samoan drop. I think everyone is down here. The ref might have to start counting.
All three absolutely exhausted. What a sequence right there. Creative holds from all three of those ladies in the ring. Crowd seeming to be behind Willow right now.
Well, how could you not be? Willow Nightingale is just the best. The best.
Absolutely. Fun wrestler. Love that. Love the hair she's got. Energy.
Face to face here. Oh! Willow starts it off with a huge chop. Alejandra fires back with a chop to Missa Kate. Oh! And an overhead chop. Oh! This is heating up fast. Willow is now just leveling everyone with those brutal lariats.
Just about taking each other's head off right now.
Super fun in the ring, but now she's on a tear.
A little bit of a violence party in the corner here, but Alejandra breaks it up. Willow cartwheels out. Goes behind Alejandra, sends her off into a pounce, period.
Alejandra just on fire right now, completely.
What a spine buster to Missa Kate. Willow with the pin. No, Alejandra breaks it up.
What a good break up there. I did not think she had the strength to knock out that pin attempt.
Beautiful roundhouse kick by Missa Kate, but Alejandra from behind. Into a cravat neck breaker, very cool. Willow though with a gut wrench. Gut wrench power bomb, she sits all the way out. 1, 2, that's it, 1, 2, 3.
Oh. Talk about Willow pulling one out at the very end. A non-factor for a while after being stuck on the floor, but coming in with just some incredible flurry of offense. Yeah, and that gut wrench suplex got it done.
Started hot and fun for the first part of the match, and then got fierce and intense the rest.